Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Honda NC700X. This is the dual clutch transmission, automatic with ABS, fantastic condition and some really nice upgrades. It's got some really great Denali front fogs, running lights. It's got an awesome sounding Yoshi pipe, very nice bark busters, and you know these bikes come with that really useful storage compartment. You put your helmet in there. Beautiful bike. It's got a GV universal top case rack, so all you got to do is buy your rack. See the rear lights flashing. It's got a lot of commuter safety features. 20,000 miles on this gorgeous NC automatic transmission. Only $54.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.